Alright guys, we're going in. We're prepped and ready. Oh, fuck me. Am I going first?
It's light in there, so it's alright.
I'll go first. Fuck me. This is... Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Comedy Pain TV. So today we are going back to the abandoned Harper Mental Asylum. With this guy again. And these guys in the back. So we're going back there, and today we're going to try and get in and go into the actual buildings today, because I saw on YouTube that a few other people had got in there. So we're going to go back there and hopefully we can do the same. We're going back there while it's light, because last time it was dark, we couldn't see hardly anything. We also got chased off by security and they called the police as well, so we're risking our asses going back there. So guys, be sure to give this a thumbs up and comment below what you think. And also, we just want to let you know that we're going there for the very last time. This is going to be the last video of us going there. First, because we don't want to do the same video for you guys too many times and go to the same location too many times. Second of all, because they're knocking it down and turning it into houses soon. And third of all, we want to get in and show you guys bits that we didn't see before, and we want to try and explore the whole thing. So we're going to drive to Harper right now, and we'll be right back when we're there, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, we're at Harper, so we're going in this way because I don't want to get caught. There's a little bit through here that we're going to show you as well that we didn't show you last time. Crazy, oh shit man, we do for you guys. Shit. What, that's creepy. That's right. Fuck. That's no guard dogs. That's creepy as fuck. So this is a bit we saw in the dark. Alright. So this is the bit, look at this. Dude, there's a window open, what the fuck? Guys, this is so risky. Why is there windows open? That's creepy as hell. Right, let's go around here guys. I'll try and get in. This is so much better during the day, as you can see. There's a amount of rubbish in here. What the fuck is that? It's right in the back, it's like a house. The main bit's over there, guys. Wait a minute. Okay, what's this bit here? What is that? Yeah, what is that? You guys coming? You got a torch? Pass that torch quick? See what this is. What is it? Just some random shit.
It's quite a nice thing though, look at that.
Isn't it? There's just some random shit there's not in there. Is that an electric box?
Yeah, it looks legit, it looks smooth.
There's a fuse box, that must be for this place there. Alright, let's go and see what we got around here. Guys, alright? Be careful around here. Yeah, we'll go around that bit, yeah? Alright guys, we're going to go around this bit here. There's a dead end road right now. Yeah, it's a dead end there, man.
Oh, is it? Right, let's go around there.
Alright guys, now we're going to go into the main bit, which is just here. We're going to go around, so we'll be right back when we get in there. Let's go. Alright guys, we're risking it. There's a car parked right there, but we're going for it. It's cool. It's cool. Right? Alright guys, we're risking it, and this is the main part here. Hey, remember over there in that window is where we saw something. Look how big this is, guys. This is where we went last time, up here, up that long road. There's all this part here as well.
Where's this entrance that you said?
Over there. So there's all that part there. There's that part there. It's all boarded up. So we're going over this way. That car hasn't moved, so this is the way we're going. We're going to try to get in over here somewhere. The other YouTubers will remember this bit because they were just behind here. So let's try and get in, shall we? We're not going to break in, but we're going to just find an entrance. This is all boarded up. Where the security guards were, this is where the security guards were here last time. And we are going to try and get in. But there's the field. There's a bit, it's round here. And there's another bit over there.
What, do we go through this way, across the field?
Yeah, we'll go across the field if this exit isn't, if this entrance is boarded up. There's an entrance here, but I don't know if there's security. I don't know. There's a security van. Huh?
Through this way?
Yeah, through there, but there's this part. And, oh, we'll just check it's clear. The fuck was that? What was that? Yeah, there's another entrance here that I'm going to have a look at. Huh?
We can flatten that one straight through and now we're going to go to security.
Yeah, but there's another entrance here as well. If that's not open, we'll go down there. Guys, don't just stand there, come on. Hey guys, risky as shit. Oh, this is so scary. What's up? If not, we're going that way and round, or we'll go over that way. Oh mate, guys, there's a ladder here. So the other YouTubers that were here, this is where they got chased off by someone with an axe. I am fucking shitting myself going in here. Yeah, I was in that corner right there, the person that chased the other YouTubers with an axe. I think this is all boarded up. I don't think there's an entry. Let's see. We can go around here. There's no one hiding behind this corner. No, they're not good. Okay, there's no entrance there or there. Okay, time to find another entrance to the other part, guys, because this is all boarded up, as you can see. Man, I don't know why we're doing this again. This is so damn risky. What's on the roof? That where the ladder is? Huh? And we can get in?
I don't think so.
Let me have a look. Okay. That's been taken off, but I don't think there's an entrance. Have a look around here. Oh, I'm here alone. This is fucking scary. Why the fuck am I doing this? Oh, fuck. That's the next part of the hospital we're going to. This is the bit we didn't get to see. Looks like we're going over here. Whoa, what was that? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go back and get the guys. See if there's any way in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm shitting myself, everybody. Okay, we'll go back and get the guys. So there's no way in that way, but hopefully there's a way in, guys. We're gonna have a look. There's a van just going past. Guys! Guys! Come here! There's an entrance. Right, let's go. Guys, we've got a bit in to the main house. Yeah, but I was saying if there's a way in. Right, we've got a way in, guys. This is it. This is what we've all been waiting for. Torches, everyone need a torch. Hang on. Where's the way in, bro? There's a white van just drove up there, don't know. What? There's a white van all the way over there on the other side.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Guys, this is it. This is the bit you've been waiting for. So we're now going to go in. Let's just get prepped and ready and we'll be going in. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're going in. We're prepped and ready. Oh, fuck me. Am I going first?
It's light in there, so it's alright.
I'll go first. Fuck me. This is...
You get behind me and feet snake back.
Oh my god. What's down there? Oh, fuck this shit. Fuck me, enough of that. It's just empty room. Oh my god, there's an upstairs. Floor is uneven, guys. Easy. Oh my fucking god. This is scary as fuck. Careful, we gotta go through the floor. Guys, what are you doing? Get in here. Fuck me. Guys, this is risky and scary as fuck. Yeah, it's concrete. This is what you've all been waiting for. This is us in Harper Mental Asylum. What was that? Mind out. Mind out. I'm gonna risk it. Yeah, it's all good, I've got this. Everyone stay back there. If anything happens, I'll fall through the floor, I'll come in. Guys, one of you coming with me because I'm not doing it alone. Hey, everyone turn the... Right. Be easy on the floor, man. Easy, easy, easy. Oh my god, this is scary. Oh my god. I'm not going through that. Anything happens, do not run. Guys, look how dark it is in here without a torch. Fuck that. Hey, do not leave me, right? Guys, you gotta smash the fucking thumbs up button, seriously. So many rooms, what room? Let's go in here first. What was that? Don't run, come on. Yo, is that you guys? Alright, hang on, we're just exploring this little bit and then we'll come up. Hearing fucking noises everywhere, bro. Whoa! Whoa, I just fell through the floor. Fuck me. It's not much me, I just fell through the fucking floor. Huh? Go this way. Huh? Yeah, guys,
Finding ghosts.
Yeah.
we're YouTubers. Yeah, we do videos for YouTube. Yeah, we're just looking in there, like, we come here a few times and that, we're just looking around.
No problem, but you're not allowed to here.
Oh, you're not allowed to? I didn't know, it's my, like, it's only our second time coming here.
No problem, but you're not allowed to come here.
Alright, I do apologise, guys, we didn't know, like, that was already open, we didn't take it off.
You here?
Alright, we do apologise, like, we went in there and,
You can go. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
alright, cheers guys, sorry about that, yeah?
Where are you going? You can choose this way.
That's this exit. You can just go this way.
We come from that way, our car's parked way over there.
Alright, no problem.
You take this one, this way,
Yeah?
in the corner. You go there.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Alright, cheers mate.
The corner you can go.
Thank you very much.
Alright, cheers guys.
Thank you very much.
So we just come out of there, we had to leave because security caught us. But yeah, they didn't know I was in there. I went through the floor, I fell through the floor, but luckily I didn't fall through the whole floor. They were just like to us, oh, you can't be here, there's dogs here and everything. We were like, oh, okay. So yeah, we've been here more than 2 times, but we just said we've been here like only twice. We didn't know that we weren't allowed in there, so guys, smash that fucking thumbs up button, seriously. Like, look what we've just gone through, guys, for you. We went in there, that was scary as hell in there. We didn't get as much footage as we wanted to, but at least we got in there, guys. At least there was a way in, that was pretty damn cool. So yeah guys, be sure to give it a thumbs up. We hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Peace guys.